Hey guys, Miata Man here. Today we're going to tell you how to grease up the tracks of your windows without taking anything apart. I've got a spare door here that I've got the panel off just so I can show you easily where these tracks are. There's one right here and there's one right here. And this is the one where the actual window regulator is. So this is the center track. When you wind the crank or push the power window button, that's the one that moves everything up and down. On this side is the one that's affixed to the door itself. That's a permanent one. And what we want to do is spray silicone spray into here, and also into this track here where the window goes up and down. This is the rubber track right here. There's a lot of resistance on this track and most people never think to grease it. So today what we're going to do is we're going to take some silicone spray. We're going to spray it in this track here. I'm going to spray some down here and spray some down here. You'll be surprised how much difference this will make. It's really amazing. Now, it's really important that you don't put anything else here. There's a few different things you can use on these tracks here. So you can put white lithium grease in there, all different kinds of grease in here. No big deal. If you put any of those in this rubber track here, you will have problems. 100%. It will start to bind up. The only thing I found over the last 25 years of doing Miatas is silicone. It works fine between the rubber and the glass. So that's what you want to use. It's the only thing you want to put into the rubber track here. So I'm going to quickly show you on the car how to do it with the door panel on. Okay, so first thing, it's not as easy to see when the panel's on the car here, right? So what you want to do, you know whereabouts they are now because you've seen it taken apart. If you want to sort of pry this apart a little bit, I'm lucky I've got a nice wedge I can put in there. And you may need a flashlight to see it, but it's right here. And if you shine your light in, you'll be able to see the top of that track like I showed you on the other door. And once you find it, you shoot some of this in there. The other one's a little easier to find usually. That's dead center. You'll be able to see the top of the track there. Spray some of this in. And if you spray it carefully, you won't get too much on the window itself. And then lastly, you want to put some in right there in this track here. That'll make a huge difference in how quickly your window goes up and down. So again, silicone spray is the only thing that you want to put in here. Otherwise you will have trouble. The window will bind and it'll pull this rubber seal right up and out the top. And once you do that, then you have to pull the whole thing apart, pull the window out, reseat it. And if the top gets ripped off, then you have to replace the whole molding which goes around the whole perimeter of the door. So I hope that gets your windows working better for you. And if you have any questions, hit the comments, hit the like button. Please subscribe to the channel and I'll make more for you soon.